Hi guys, let's jump into the two new words of the day. The first word is unequivocal. Unequivocal means definitive or unambiguous or having no doubt, or you can also say being very clear of. An example of unequivocal is a charity where $1 million were raised. It can be considered an unequivocal success. Another example is where unequivocal instructions are given to a house sitter that while he is house sitting, he isn't allowed to have any parties. The second word is heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means dissimilar or elements that are not of a same kind. Examples could be salt and pepper, or the trail mix that you see in the image. It consists of elements that are not similar. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, come back tomorrow, and learn two new words with us. Bye!